about hatch cover maintenance. Introduction. It is generally accepted that leaking hatch cover are principal cause of cargo weighting. Hatch leak for a variety of reasons, but mainly because of poor maintenance of failure to close them properly. Leaking or badly maintained hatch cover can lead to more serious consequences than weight cargo, flooding, accelerated corrosion, or ever loss of the ship. Hatch cover and their function. The purpose and function of hatch cover and its coming is to prevent ingress of water into a cargo hold after a large opening has been cutting in the deck for cargo access. Hatch covers are a movable structure designed to watertight standards. Hatch cover